So hi, my name is Joshua Brown, and today I'm showing you how to use YouTube to discover my passion project. Now, what am I passionate for? One of my favorite idols to ever walk this earth is Muhammad Ali. Now, why is he so influential to me? Not only was he a really good fighter, but he was also a very good speaker and left behind a legacy that no boxer can touch in my mind. So today, I'm going to show you how to access YouTube in order to fall in love with Muhammad Ali like I did. So, I'm going to take you to the URL, even though I'm an avid YouTube user and have it pulled up right now. So, here's the URL. Now, because I use YouTube so much to listen to things like music, watch some WWE highlights, and various other things, I am going to show you how to use it for Muhammad Ali. So, whenever you type in his name, Muhammad Ali, now obviously because I am such a big fan of his, I already have some of his stuff pulled up like motivational speaks and trash talking. So, I'm going to click on trash talking, and you get things like funny speeches, interviews, trash talk. You also get some of his funny moments, which I've watched so many times, and I laugh so hard every time. Then you also get him compared to guys like Conor McGregor because they trash talk. Now, trash talking isn't the only option, obviously. So, let's just say I wanted to type in him versus Sonny Liston, and it's already up. So, right here, you get multiple videos that have the actual fight. You have the full-length fight, the highlights, and you also have, well, there's two fights. So you get to see the first one, the second one, and anything else, even the weigh-in. You could also type in things like Ali, Will Smith, because not many people know that Will Smith actually played Muhammad Ali in one of his movies. If you have any further questions on how to use YouTube in order to find Muhammad Ali, please ask.